Hi! In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 2021, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Xiaomi. First of all, find clock and tap on it. Now select this clock icon over here if it's not already on and tap on the blue plus one. Then set up an hour, and when you're ready, click on repeat. Over here you can select once daily, Monday to Friday, or custom. I will go with custom, so I have to tap on it and select days of the week manually. After that, save your changes by tapping on OK. Then select ringtone, pick one of those melodies as your alarm sound by tapping on the best one for you and going back. But you can also select ringtone, tap on choose local ringtone over here, select one of those sources, I will go with file manager, and pick song from your device by clicking on the best one and tapping on OK over here. Now you need to set it up if it's not already on by tapping on it and go back. After that, you can click on the switcher next to vibrate when the alarm sounds to disable or enable vibrations and tap on label. Label your alarm however you wish to, tap on OK and save your alarm by tapping on the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can turn it off completely by tapping on the switcher next to it and picking one of those options. You can turn it back on the same way. You can also hold it, click on this bin icon at the bottom, and now it's gone. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!